I built this over a weekend with AI, just for fun, and it features real-time data for flights, boats, satellites, live traffic, and more. This is Atlas, Advanced Tactical Logistics and Analysis System. Let's start with the first feature, real-time satellites. As you can see, you can track them globally and click on any satellite to pull up additional information, including its current speed. All of this is powered by open-source data. The next feature is flights. We have a detailed list here providing live data for every aircraft in the sky. Let's pull up this one as an example. Everything you see is happening in absolute real time. Next, we have ship logistics. By switching to the ship's view, we can track vessels across the globe using integrated open-source data. A quick click reveals specific details like the ship's name and current speed. Now, let's look at a major hub, New York City. Here, we can toggle map layers and activate 3D buildings. We can even tilt the camera to get a true sense of the urban scale. One of my favorite additions is the traffic simulation. Once it loads, you'll see simulated movement on the streets. While these aren't live vehicles, they give the map a much more dynamic and living atmosphere. Using the search bar, let's jump over to London. This brings us to a very cool feature, live CCTV. These markers represent public camera feeds. You can browse through them individually or use the list to monitor various parts of the city simultaneously. Let's broaden our view to global hazards. Zooming out toward the Americas, we can track natural events in real time. Earthquakes are logged here, and these red markers indicate active wildfires. Clicking a marker provides the date, time, and specific history of the event. We also monitor floods and seismic magnitude worldwide. Another layer displays nuclear facilities, marked by these green points. The sidebar allows us to access data, such as the year of construction for plants across the globe. We can also track internet outages. Looking at Iran, for example, there is a 68% drop, meaning only 32% of internet servers are currently active there. Then we have the Emergency Signal Hub. This is designed to capture distress signals from ships and planes globally. While there are no active signals at this moment, they appear here instantly the second they happen. Now let's look at classified intel. This layer visualizes sensitive data, such as the Balkan smuggling route. Our primary source is the UNODC, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, the global authority for tracking illegal trade. We've also integrated military bases and, based on declassified documents, locations of former CIA black sites. These aren't as secret as you might think, as they are already closed and part of public records. We also track live conflicts in real time. For instance, we can see civil unrest in Bulgaria or military activity in India. Clicking these events links you directly to the latest news reports for immediate context. This widget monitors the real-time status of the European power grid. It operates at a standard frequency of 50 Hz. Any significant fluctuations or imbalances between power generation and consumption are immediately visible here in this live feed. So, that's the project. Every piece of data comes from publicly available open-source intelligence. It's been a fascinating build. What are your thoughts? Do you have any recommendations for new features I should add?